I'm releasing the bocks. The mighty bocks from their prison. They have been cooped up all day. Just gonna be taking them out. She likes picking up my ring. I'm gonna keep picking it up. The thing about this is, that was easy to get them out as it is to get them in. So it's slightly harder to get them in. To put these back in, and you gotta go chase these goobers back in. Look at that. Look at that, everybody. Huh? You free? You free birds? What'd you find, Roderick? Purple flowers. Yum, yum, the purple flowers. Go forage, guys. Hi, Lucky. Hey, baby. I'm gonna go steal some eggs. Oviraptor. Don't worry, I'm not stealing your eggs, sweet pea, baby. I'm not attacking her, buddy. I'm here to take your eggs, baby. You can lay on those. I'm stealing the other ones, because... You looking at me? Like, hello. Hi. It's okay. So I just wanna... Is that sweet pea? Huh? Look at that, baby. Poor thing's head's got bitten by the roosters. He's just talking to me. Like, hello. Probably like, screw you, get out of here. Freaking hate you. Huh? That sounded more like a growl. Sounded more like a get away from me noise. It's a cluck. You're like, oh, this guy's not a threat. Oh, this guy's chill. Hey, yeah, this guy's chill. Hey. I'm not gonna take your eggs, baby. What? Hi, Lucky. What's up, Lucky? What's up, Lux? Lucky, what's up, baby? What's saying hi to you, sweet pea? You're eating sweet pea. Hi, Lucky. What? Say, I want the attention too. I just want to get videoed. What in the world is that? Hey, what in the world is that? Yeah, so these are my two little ones. That's Sweet Pea. This is Lucky. Those silky bantams. If you notice, their heads kind of got messed up by the roosters. Don't eat that, baby. Who's got food here? Check on their food. Doesn't look like they got much. I'm gonna just take a little bit. See if she'll take it. No one eating that. I bring you food here. It's food. Oh, dump it. There. Have some food. It's food. It's your food, Sweet Pea. No, Goober, don't eat that. You know what that is? It's your food, baby. Atta girl. Good chicken. You're a hungry girl, aren't you? You're a hungry chicken. What's that noise? Lucky? Baby, come on, keep eating. You gotta eat more food, baby. Hey, sweetie. Hi, Lucky. You're protecting your sweet pea. Lucky, you're just protecting your sweet pea. You're just protecting your sweet pea. You're protecting your sweet pea. What are you doing in there? You're one hungry little chicken. What's that? I'm not gonna attack you, Lucky. I'm just saying hi to you. Hi. Yeah, I got a dookie. Scared me, dear girl. I don't think Sweet Pea wants you in there. Then again, she might like. I don't mind. What are you guys doing? What are you doing? Lucky. Lucky, what are you doing? I'm so confused right now. They're just doing their own thing, you know? Like she's also. Dang, no, my food. No. Angry little mama hen, huh? Angry little mama hen. Angry little mama hen, huh? Angry. Lucky, why have you come over here? To the food of my dear beloved Lucky. My dear beloved Sweet Pea. Why you like her? They usually bundle up together when they're about to go to bed, but it's bright as day. It's like 10 right now, so 10 or 11, so it's in the afternoon, earlier parts of the afternoon, late morning, so pretty bright. I guess she was just hungry. Hi, Sweet Pea. Hi, Lucky. What are you doing? You clean myself up? You talking to her? That Roderick? Hi. Hi, Goobers. Hello. Don't want to pet him because I don't want to disturb him. It's just a bug. Yeah, it's a bug. It's a bug. You chicken should be. Oh. Yeah, I'm laughing at y'all. You're like, no, don't eat my food. Punk. Get here. Dang it. Oh, this has been my chickens.